When we are met with an unmanageable overstimulation, when something comes too much, too fast, too soon, fight or flight isn't possible, we then jump to the next phase, which is a freeze response, which is a body collapse, immobility, which is a very wise and intelligent design. Because in nature, if I'm being attacked by a bear, if I play dead, the bear might not eat me, might not be concerned. Oh, I'm not going to mess with him. He's dead. So playing dead, going immobile, freezing, makes it go away. Oftentimes we have trauma survivors who then, when they get touched, all of a sudden freeze. The freeze response is actually immobility, fear, because it's like, maybe if I play dead, I'm not going to get killed. Or if I just leave my body, maybe when the bear eats me, I won't feel any pain. So the freeze response, what we call dorsal vagal shutdown, is a very intelligent adaptation to an overstimulation. Getting rejected, getting dumped, getting fired. Extreme as being eaten by a bear, but they found themselves going into dorsal vagal freeze, body collapse, immobility. This is not a disease or a disorder. When you dissociate, numb, depression, they're not diseases and disorders. I want you to really get this. This is intelligent adaptation from the nervous system when in a state of overstimulation and we go into freeze. It is up to us, our responsibility, to get the support that we need to learn how to move up the ladder from dorsal vagal up to sympathetic and up into ventral, which is where our ideal is.